Thank for all of you. Guys, thank for keep on subscribe my videos. I have seen there a lot of improvement. I have seen there's my views also is coming up. Uh, Guys, I need your support to be share this video to your friend and your colleague and those who need it to be those who want to learn this HVAC uh, in details. So soon I am going to be upload so many videos regarding the drafting, designing, calculations, engineering, all those things. So I have started from the drafting itself. So guys, need your help to be subscribe my channel and could you please share my videos to be your other friends, those who's busy in the HVAC industry. So my previous video I was talking about the plan, how we are going to make the section view, correct? See the section view. If we have a plan view here, correct? We already made the plan view according to 5000 cmh, whatever the side we have taken here. I just assume the value. So still I haven't tell you that how we are going to design the deck. Okay, but this I'm just telling to how we are going to do the drafting only. Okay, this is nothing related with duct design. Duct designing we have a different standard. What velocity, what noise level we have to maintain. Where I have a standard based on HA standard, based on HA standard. We have standards. So now I am just teaching you only the drafting part. Okay, how we are going to draw the things. Okay, so hope this is very clear. So if you draw this ducting and how you're going to make the section view. So what I can did what I did we had to ask to the architect or civil people. I need the section area from here to here. So they will cut and they will pass to you only the section. Those who's stack that this civil layout they will provide you. They are not going to do our ducting where our ducting is routing at all. They will not give. Okay. So this is when we are selecting the equipment, we are getting the drawing in AutoCAD from the vendor. But first revision drawing, when we are doing the first calculation, then we are after the heat load calculation, we are submitting the our the HVC selection data for the air handling unit for the fan call unit. We are sending the inquiry to the vendor. Then vendor is taking a little bit time to come back to us, but some our in our internal part the people they are pushing to us to be issue the drawing. Okay, so what you will do, you should keep always temporary equipment block. Okay, fan call unit how it will look like in the side view, air handling unit how it will look like side view. Okay, always should have the block, side view, top view, all the try to be keep. I have made some blog. Could you please see my file? How is it? Somebody they asked me about the draw the pump. I can copy and paste there immediately. I just made a scale only. Okay, I have all the blocks. You can see here. You can see here all the blocks are here. These are blocks which I made. If you have a block, you can just copy and paste there and scale it. That will be very fast. So once you have a final drawing from the vendor, you can according to that you can update your again your layout. But first revision, when you are going to issue the first revision, still we don't have any drawing from the vendor, so you can just make the copy the block from here, you can paste it there. See what I am going to do. I have these are my block for the fan call unit. Okay, you can see these are my, but this is the top view. Side view, I never see any side view here. This is isometric view. So the side view I just copy this one. This is free blow type. Okay, this is not a ductable, but still I'm going to modify it. You can see here. I will be export this, remove this part. Okay, remove this part. Just this is your written side. I will be making cooling coil here. One here, another here. Okay. So what I can do, just copy, paste as a block. Now I will do this scale, maybe 0.5. Can be accommodate now? No, it's still no. Again, I have to do 0.5. Now I have to take the projection of this air handling unit to where it is going. This is a projection and my unit is ending here. So what I can do, I will be increased little bit more. This is exact size what I got from my unit, but this is not a final unit. I have to get my final unit from the vendor. Okay, I just keep it here. This is just like okay. This height right now I'm considering because I don't have the final drawing from the vendor. So what I can do, I can start from here. What is the height of my ducting? 500. So 250 and 250. So how I'm going to connect it? I'm going to connect like that. The remaining part I'm going to trim. So always try to save the drawing, try to keep this practice to be habit whenever if you got system got hang or anything, so your drawing will be always safe. So you try to be manage this. Okay, now I have to take this projection. Now my height is going to be 450. My height is going to be 450. Okay, so what I can do, if okay, 450 divided by 2. So to try to be keep in the one side offset. Okay, only 450, that's means the 50 mm I have to reduce. 50 we have to reduce from the top only. Keep your ducting bottom of duct everywhere in the flat, same ductings. Okay, so these your bottom of the duct is always will be, this your bottom of the duct 3310 should be flat. So we have to reduce from the top, not from the eccentric eccentric type of reducer we can use it here. Okay, okay. If you are seeing from here, you can see this piece also. So take the projection here. Second line, take the projection here. Okay. What is the height of this ducting? Maybe you can consider, because I don't know. I know the width, but height I just assume the value only 500 by 200. Okay. So 100 I can keep in top, 100 keep in the down. So I can remove this. I can do that. I can do that. Okay. See, one more thing is here. This is your 45 your shoe neck. It's coming like this. Next piece, take the projection. Take the projection here. Just copy this one and try to be move here. See, you can put again what I can do 600 by see it's very simple, but only you have to understand the concept. Okay, that's very important. If your concept, your visualization is very clear, like how if I'm going to be see from the side view, and what the thing is can be can be can be seen from the top. Top. 450 by 440. So still I'm going to keep the same height here. Okay. So your piece is coming until here. So wherever you have this taper, you can just write down the T. 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 So 1, 2. Okay, that's very good. See the one branch is center line is coming out from here also. Try to move in the center. Best you can get it from here. Okay. And when you're writing the, in the section view, if you're writing this piece, it cannot be 600 by 450. It should be 450 by 600, like that. Okay. And this piece will be 450 by 450. And this piece you can put like this, like LE leader command. You can put, how much is it? 750 by 500. So the 500 will become first. 500, 750. Okay. You can see how it look like. This is section view. Okay, it's very simple. Here you can edit it. You can put b dot o dot d plus 310. Bottom of that should always keep like that. Okay. And my next video, I'll be tell you how we are going to be connect the diffuser, how we have the diffuser details and the flexible connection detail and the return side grill also. I'm going to tell you in the next video. So guys, it's my request only. So could you please share this video as more as possible and like it and subscribe it. Thanks a lot for giving me more time.